In this video, we will compare Supabase versus Appwrite. Supabase is often praised upon its open source alternative to Firebase, offering a range of powerful backend features such as real-time databases, authentication, storage, and all-around database. One of its biggest advantages is its strong relation database foundation, which allows for more complex queries and data relationships than Firebase. Developers appreciate the simplicity and getting started with Supabase, as it provides an easy-to-use interface for managing databases and integrating well with other web technologies. However, while Supabase offers a great scalability and flexibility, some users have noted that it still could be immature compared to more established platforms, with the occasional bugs or incomplete features. Additionally, while its free tier is generous, as with any platform, costs can rise quickly as the project scales larger and larger. Supabase's open source nature has huge drawbacks for developers who prioritize transparency and control. Since it's built on top of certain developer systems, developers can leverage its powerful features such as custom SQL queries, full-text search, and advanced indexing. These can all provide greater flexibility and solutions. Additionally, Supabase provides a rich extension and integration, making it very versatile for users who choose a different case. However, despite these strengths, Supabase ecosystem is not mature as Firebase, meaning some features may not be as polished or reliable, particularly when scaling up to a large-scale applications. The community around Supabase is growing, but it needs a more relatively small community compared to the Firebase alternative, which can make it somewhat harder to find solutions to unique problems. Still, for developers who value open source solutions and need more control over their infrastructure, Supabase provides a compelling, developer-friendly option that has potential for growth and powerful tool. Overall, Supabase is a solid choice for many developers. Appwrite is an open source backend as a service platform that provides a solid solution for tools on building and managing website and mobile applications. It includes features such as real-time databases, file storage, serverless functions, and all bundled together in an easy-to-use package. One of the standout aspects of Appwrite is its focus on providing self-hosting options. These allow developers to have a complete control over their infrastructure and data privacy. Additionally, its well-documented API and extensive SDK support makes it relatively straightforward to integrate into projects. However, despite this, Appwrite is still a young platform, and while it continues to improve day over day, some users have noted that it can lack scalability and the sustainability of more established BAS solutions such as Firebase or Supabase. There has also been reports of occasional bugs or missing features that can hinder its development. Another appealing aspect of Appwrite is its community-driven approach, which allows developers to contribute and shape the platform's future. This open source model fosters a sense of collaboration and community, giving it flexibility to modify the platform to suit their specific needs. Overall, Appwrite is a promising open source solution for many developers who want to control over their backend, but it may not be as polished as other features or other alternatives such as Firebase, Supabase, or Pocketbase.